Hello everyone. My name is Ankur. I am from Noida, but currently I stay in UK. I did my hair transplant with Medlinks in last March. It has been like 10 months now, and I'm very satisfied with my result and the overall result and how my hairline looks. This was my second transplant. Basically, I did my first transplant approximately 5.5 years ago. But to be honest, I was not really satisfied with my results back then because my hairline looked very artificial. The hair density was not good, and it was very easy to figure out that I have done something with my head, and I was not at all satisfied with my results. So I did a lot of research. I looked for clinics in Turkey. I looked for some clinics in UK, and also for I researched some clinics in India. But to be honest, the results which I saw from Medlinks clinic were really phenomenal, and so I took a leap of faith and I decided to go with Medlinks based on their experience of delivering result. And I went for approximately 4,000 grafts, and as you can see, my hair growth has been really good. The team here is really professional, and the hairline that they have grafted over my head, it looks really cool and looks really natural, and it's very difficult for anyone to figure out that I have done any kind of hair transplant on my head. And based on my experience, I would definitely recommend Medlink's clinic. Anyone who is looking for hair transplant and wants super good results should definitely consider Medlink's clinic. I will rate them 20 out of 10 for the results that they have delivered.